guys are still just a little over 20, so about the same. Scale says 129.8. So I'm still around there. I have not been jogging a lot like I was, so I need to get back on my exercise. I have been swimming though a little bit. Swimming is really fun exercise. The thing with swimming is it keeps your body heat down, so you don't really sweat as much, and sweating is good for you. So I'm excited. I have my homemade dried cherry or strawberries that I made, and they're so good. 100% organic strawberries, no additives or preservatives. So they shrivel up to about half the size, but you get like more than twice the amount of calories. And same thing with sugar. So even though it shrinks, you get a lot more sugar and calories. So that's the way dried fruit works. But again, reports say that some other nutrients are reduced, such as vitamin C. Delicious, delicious candy, and nutritious, and completely non-fattening. You can get a whole bowl of this stuff. So all I did was I took a fresh strawberry and I cut it in half, and laid it on a platter out in the sun. And this is Texas in the middle of summer, so we have a lot of dry, very sunny days. And it just takes a couple of days or a few days to dry out. And as they're drying, you flip them over, so each side can get really dry, kind of like you're just baking it in the sun. And there you go. Delicious. Really, really good. And again, much healthier than store-bought dried fruit. The store-bought dried fruit, you never know what kind of treatment they're putting on it. Have my morning breakfast water, and I'm going to squeeze a fresh strawberry in here. Ooh, messy. To flavor it. Strawberries are just so delicious. Okay? So let's talk about how you feel after you eat certain things. I notice when I eat something unhealthy, I feel a lot of guilt and shame afterwards, after I eat that. And I think a lot of people feel that way. After you eat something unhealthy, you know it's unhealthy, you know it's not good for you. After you eat, you feel so bad, you feel guilty, you feel greasy, you carry a lot of shame with you when you don't treat your body right, even though you may not know it. And so just carrying all that guilt and shame around with you all the time, it's not healthy for your mentality. When you eat healthy and you know you're putting something good in your body, you feel good, you feel proud of yourself. Your whole personality just changes. So, and I find that when I eat raw, I feel the best. I feel the best inside, and I'm the most proud of myself. Because I know I'm treating my body well. I'm giving my body what it needs. So there's no guilt. There's no guilt or shame when you eat healthy. So there's just so many reasons to eat healthy. It makes you look good. It makes you feel good. I feel the best when I eat healthy. I never get any stomach aches or any uncomfortable feelings or any kind of constipated feeling. I feel clean inside. I look good outside because I feel good. When you feel good inside, it radiates through you. Doesn't matter who you are. You know, a bright face and a bright smile on anyone is beautiful. So when you feel good on the inside, it radiates through you, and it just affects your whole mentality when you eat better. So that's another reason to eat healthy. You don't feel guilty, you don't feel bad about yourself. Who needs that in this world? You know, we battle that enough in this world. So, alrighty. So just stay on track and eat healthy. Again, if you slip, just continue eating healthy the next day, and just don't give up. Don't fall flat on your face and give up and say, well, I ate a burger, I blew it, I'm just going to eat unhealthy for the rest of my life. That's no reason to stop. It's just one little meal. It's not your whole life. So just continue eating healthy the next day, and for exercise a little more to work it off. And you're going to make mistakes. You're going to slip every now and then, but it's okay. Sometimes your mistakes actually help you improve. So just learn from it. Okay? And again, try making your own dried fruit at home. It's fun. It's an excellent way to get your sweet candy cravings in and not get big.